think a part of me collapsed. Don't leave, don't stay, we lift, we up and away. Just breathe, okay, I'll take you back from my days. Don't leave, don't stay, we lift, we up and away. Just breathe, okay, I'll take you back from my days. Man, I really gotta never drop a 35 breakdown. Man, I really gotta never drop it, take my life way out before, yeah, we up to kick. On a shitload of drugs, I'm sunk in it. Look at what we got, how make God pick what I want to know. King was a hit and a big success, so the toys got bigger, that's a big business. Pop bars, I was losing my memory. Labels wanna meet, about time they can sense it. Shift now in the industry, they realise I'm right, yeah, the king is here. Went to meet Warner, cunts never like that. Thought they would change anything, I wanna write that. You know that too, yeah, we got shit, we can go back through. Next step dropped, then it got me some more packs. I tripped out like fuck how we sold. Let me stack that cash in a black backpack. Gotta grab that lad, you can't have that back. After next step, then came tradition, more success.
Where are we, Kimmins?
Where are we? We're at Central Coast to get my 2 zoomed in, is alright.
You're alright. I'll zoom out.
That's it. It's not wide enough, that lens. But it's alright.
Yeah, it's good.
Currently at Central Coast, we're passing through Terrigal. You know what, I'm going to make a new intro actually now. How's it going, guys? It's Dane back from TV's on tour, and it is... Yeah, it's Dane. I already said that. Yeah, we're just cruising around Terrigal. Oh, look behind us. There's a clubby. Yeah, we're just cruising around Terrigal at the moment, heading towards Pretty Beach, and we're going to film the video there pretty much. Just, well, I'm repeating myself a lot. But I'm going to give you an update on what's happening with the patrol. The fuel system has been installed. That's all done. The car's done. I should have picked it up last week, but I think they were busy, so they didn't get it on the dyno, as they are putting it back on the dyno. But we'll get more into that soon. Yeah, SS is going well. I'll give you an overall talk about the SS. It has now a short shifter put in it, as that other shifter that snapped in the previous video. I went out and bought, I think the brand is Cube short shifter, so it's nice. It was a bit of a pain to put in because I've never put in a short shifter, but it was alright. Yeah, we'll film on the way. Maybe not. Yeah, we feel like there's a button over there as well. The red one. Oh, you can feel that way, you can reach around, grab it kind of
Till he got the buzz. My girl almost left, said the fame hit my head. I told her don't leave, man, this game is a mess. And I hit that road with a sick rap flow, trying to get that dough. Gotta step back, no. The more I did drugs, shit, the more they love me. I know what a twist, it was more than money. Now the world will starts and they like no stress. Just trying to write stand up, I couldn't even stand up. I'm dropping 35 break.
recording. Oh yeah. So as I said earlier, we're currently on our way to Pretty Beach. Pretty Beach is where I grew up until I was about maybe 9 or 10, I think. So we're gonna head back there. There's a nice little spot I'm gonna chill at just to film more of the video, but at least Nathan's here filming in-car video, so hopefully you guys enjoy this segment. While we be a menace on the road, everybody probably hates us here, but that's okay.
Hopefully it's not too shaky.
Yeah, hopefully it's not too shaky. I'm not using a gimbal at the moment. Nathan's just free-handing it, but
my neck's pretty much snapped around the back of the headrest. So.
As I say every other video, I still need to get a wider lens, but it is what it is. I'll give you up there. So yeah, SS is going good. New fresh set of tyres on the rear, were fresh. There's yesterday we were driving around Tarago and I believe something fell off a tree and I've got a nice little dent in the centre of my bonnet, like a smaller than a 5-cent dent, which is a bit of a pain, but it's there. I guess it gives me an excuse to go get a reverse cow. Yeah, other than that, I can't really fault the SS. Oh, the mufflers. So this has a pacemaker exhaust system from the extractors to the cats, and then from the cats back it has an X-Force system, all 3-inch of course, but unfortunately the X-Forces are known for their exhaust hangers to snap. So what's happened is they've snapped and it makes this horrid rattling noise. So luckily enough, when we're coming up here Saturday, we were able to get into an exhaust shop in Eurodella. I forgot the name of the place. I'll again put it up on the screen. Yeah, and he fixed it all up, welded it all up, showed me what he did afterwards. I'm actually impressed. It cost me, yeah, $100.
We're winning chicken dinner.
I don't think there's anything else to add. Fuel economy wise, I think we did, on the way up, oh, it's not on the screen now. We've done 97 k's to this tank so far. It's already at halfway. On the way up, we did about, oh shit. I think we got it down to 10.3 litres per 100 k's, so that's alright for a car like this, so I'm pretty impressed again. Yeah, I don't know what else to say.
Funny how the world works for a paycheck. Once the fame hit, I became a train wreck. I wasn't shit anyway, so why does it count? Why so many people love me? I can't think of it now, but I'm telling you now.
Here we got up the infamous, I don't even know how to pronounce it, Buddy National Park. Oh, these motherfuckers.
What?
What?
They're definitely saying that.
What?
It's only indicating over.
No.
First fucking night, felt like sleeping in my throat. Second night, my body shaking. Walked out, but there's no time to muck around. Lucky I got here, cause my body about to shut down. Back to square one, nah man, you can't quit. You gotta win yourself off. So baby, that's my fault. I didn't speak on it much. I didn't say it as a problem. I would keep it from cunts. Race could always tell when I couldn't pronounce certain words. Bring me in, yeah, should I be crowd? So anything tried, cause I'm going in hard. Fuck 'em up with a pill, just to go out the day.
Oh, this road's not easy to feel. This road's great. The Simmons are loving it.
Yeah, I said it before, but it's enough to make me high. Feel like I'm in the door, but guys in the end, I never liked them like men. I tell you what I'm going through, I don't care what they think. That's why I'm triple popping pills, leaning over the sink. I'm always fucking crying cause I'm playing this shit. Cause of all the close ones and the lives I think.
What are you zooming in on?
The view.
Oh, yeah. Is it recording?
Yeah. I'll
so-
turn it on and off.
Yeah, so this area right now, this is the road that we're on. This is the way I took every single day to go to school. Oh, preschool, I guess you could say. Oh, primary school would have been, year 1. So yeah, I always took the bus though. A little bus pass. Oh, this place would be mad to live back here again. Somebody sponsor me, I want to buy a house.
So blissful in this.
It'll take a bit more than a sponsorship to buy a house around here.
Cheaper than Canberra.
Yeah, still.
Look at that.
Golden hour.
Look at that. That's crazy. So nice. Where are we at now? Pretty bad.
Yeah, this is part of Pretty Beach.
That's so good.
So I think this is all part of the Buddy National Park. But it's called, yeah, oh yeah. It's called Pretty Beach. It's sunny.
Everything's just so green. So nice.
bit windy again. As you guys know, every time I film it is always windy, so enjoy. Focus, yeah, so this here, you can't really see it of course because it's all covered in factory, but it has a cube short shifter in it now. It's like all billet, full billet, billet machined part. It's very, very nice product. I think it cost me around 500 bucks, which is a bit pricey considering the part that I broke is about, oh shit, hang on, open this up. The part that I broke was probably about maybe 15 bucks, so that's lovely. Show you the damage that has happened since we've been here. So, where's my finger? Here it is. Let's see if I can get this. Oh, is it going to focus? Yeah. So, scratches there and a little dent there. So, something has fallen off a tree, and this happened last night while driving around, and has flung up. Oh, fallen onto straight into the car and bounced off the window. So that was awesome. We weren't even going fast either. It was probably about just rolling over the speed bumps, and that's when that happened. Another bit of damage is, I think that was it. The exhaust is fixed, of course you won't be able to see that because it's under the car, but otherwise everything else is still how it is. I'm very upset about that, but I'm tempted to get a reverse cow now. Yeah, with the patrol, I pretty much explained it all when I was in the car anyway. I don't know why we need to wait for now, but essentially the patrol's in the shop. Cliche. Yeah, it's in the shop. It is completed. As far as I'm concerned, it's all completed. We're just waiting for them to call me back up and pretty much explain what the go is now. So, as I was saying before, go away wind. As I was saying before, patrol is finished. Needs to go back on the dyno and pretty much just get a once over, full run through, and then see how it goes. Yeah, that's it. It's, yeah, system's in. Walbro 525, new braided lines, new wiring, new inline fuel filter. It's all been put in. Already has upgraded injectors, of course. It's already got the works done to it. It's just little things. The thing is, it had a Walbro pump in it before, but unfortunately the setup must have just failed. But it is what it is. It's done now. I think it cost $1,500 including labour, which is pretty good for a full setup like that. I did explain in the last video that they wanted to go a surge tank, but we're going to go away from the surge tank. That somebody has reached out, as I said as well, about another kit. Apparently it's like a bracket that goes in the factory patrol tanks to where it's similar to a surge tank, but I don't know how it works yet. I have to fully look into it. But yeah, it's annoying because I said a couple of weeks last time, and it's been a couple of weeks. It's been about 4 weeks since I said that, so a month, which yeah, couple weeks. It's fine. They're working away on it. It's been worked on. Every time I've gone in there for the last few weeks and gave them a call, they've always given me updates and they've always said they've been working on it. So it's I'm so excited. As I've said every single video, I just want to go camping. The rest of this video will be more action. Just driving around, hopefully some night shots. Enjoying life, really. Getting the gist of it.
珍珠的心理太奇妙。18岁生日太奇妙，珍珠的心理太奇妙。18岁生日太奇妙。
Minute
problem with low cars is how slow you go to damn bumps. Let's go.
Oh, look at that.
Let's see.
珍珠的心里太奇妙。18岁生日太奇妙，珍珠的心里。
Spin this shit around. We're gonna start with the hook this time. Why got them all so bitter? Swear they're gonna hate if you're a winner. Yeah, I'm meditating off a pinger. All my faith in God, but I'm a sinner, sinner. Why got them all so bitter? Swear they're gonna hate if you're a winner. Yeah, I'm meditating off a pinger. All my faith in God, but I'm a sinner, sinner. Pick apart your brain, I'ma pick apart your conscience. As long as they think they can stop this, I drop hits. Plus I got this urge to drop heat and stomp beats. Had to tell the boys not to roll, cunts and got beef. Truck let them aim high, do a drive by and try selling back the same ride. Take flight, I get high and I'm sinister. Never had a fuck to give, I slapped the Prime Minister. Waiting for the sunrise, early morning dumb high. See my mate face 25 and he ain't budged twice. Don't you tell me about the rap game, the shit was nearly dead and I put it on my back, mate. Do your research, holes in your t-shirts. I should get an overall cut of what the scene's worth. Teamwork with the curse and I climb the top. But last album I was washing out some writer's block. Why I got them all so bitter? Swear they're gonna hate if you're a winner. Yeah, I'm meditating off a pinger. All my faith in God, but I'm a sinner, sinner. Why I got them all so